Hello viewers, let's get to understand the direct ophthalmoscope. The handle contains the battery for illumination and the head contains the optics. The optics consist of an illumination system and a viewing system. The illumination system consists of a light source, an aperture, two convex lenses and a 45-degree mirror. The viewing system consists of the viewing aperture and a compensating lens. Light rays from the lamp are converged slightly by the first lens, pass through the aperture and are focused by the second lens onto the mirror, which then reflects light into the patient's eye to form an illuminated area on the patient's retina. Some of the reflected rays from here now pass out of the patient's eye through the viewing aperture and compensating lens of the ophthalmoscope onto the observer's retina. The type of aperture can be controlled by means of a thumb wheel. The various apertures available are a large aperture for standard fundus examination under dilatation, a small aperture for viewing the fundus through an undilated pupil. For a subject within 4 diopters of emetropia, this spot is approximately just smaller than an average sized optic disc, so a rough estimate of disc size may be made. A microspot for viewing the macula or the fundus in very small pupils. A slit that helps in assessing the level of retinal lesions and tumors. A hemispot that reduces reflections. A cobalt blue filter to help in assessment of fluorescent staining of the cornea. And finally, a fixation star that projects a graticule onto the retina for assessment of eccentric fixation. These are available via a thumb wheel. All of these may be combined with a red-free filter to help in better visualization of blood vessels, hemorrhage and the nerve fiber there. Some ophthalmoscopes also have a polarizing filter to reduce retinal reflections and examine the nerve fiber there. A second thumb wheel helps to rotate into place a compensating lens of appropriate power to visualize the fundus clearly if the subject or observer is ametropic or is using accommodation. The power of the condensing lens as the thumb wheel is rotated can be seen in the display window. The power of plus lenses is displayed in black and the power of minus lenses in red. So that's it for today.